Hey there everyone, today we're making salt and pepper tofu. Let's go. Get yourself some tofu from Asian supermarkets. I'm using a more firm tofu for salt and pepper. Tofu, first of all, we need to halve the center, lay it back on flat, and we're going to cut it into quarters. So depending on how big you like your tofu, this is how big mine's gonna be. So when you fry it, it'll be nice and crispy on the outside and nice and soft in the middle. Do the same for your other ones. Crack an egg into a bowl. Only about half the egg goes in. Half a teaspoon of white pepper and sprinkle some salt, less than half a teaspoon. And now I'm going to show you how to coat your tofu in batter. In the bowl, add potato starch. That's the one we use at the restaurant. Add about half a bowl, give it a shake, coat the tofu thoroughly in batter. Make sure your hands are also coated in batter. And again. Right guys, and that's all. Very simple. And now your tofu is ready for frying. We're going to set it aside and we're going to prep some vegetables quickly. You can use any veg you like for salt and pepper. I've chosen half a red onion. I'm going to dice it into cubes. Watch your fingers. Open up some strips in the onion, face it the other way and go down with your knife. Right, a quarter of some green peppers, literally just a few cubes. Some red pepper, a few strips as well. This is just for color. That's pretty much all I'm going to use. 2 cloves of garlic. Chop it briefly. And I'm using a secret ingredient, chili and garlic sauce. This will really enhance the flavor of your salt and pepper. Just about half a teaspoon. And there you are guys. And now I'm going to show you how to make a salt and pepper seasoning mix. In the bowl, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, quarter of a teaspoon of white pepper, and a quarter of a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. Give it a quick mix. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Heat up your wok, some oil. Heat up your oil. When your oil is ready, turn it off and put your tofu in, one by one. Medium heat. Give it a quick shake. Make sure you put it in different places so they don't stick together. Alright, don't touch it for now. Give it 10 seconds. Now, slowly flip it from the bottom. As you can see now, it's forming a shape. We're just going to gently fry it. Gently break the tofu apart. So the tofu will take about 4 minutes in total to cook. Now it's ready. Nice and crispy. They start popping now because of all the air inside. Vegetables in. Tofu back in. Toss. Salt and pepper. 1. And again. 2. Any extras, you save it. Toss. And now we serve. This is how you make salt and pepper tofu. Delicious. Nice and soft in the middle. Give it a try at home guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye! Blanching your tofu in salt water can help it absorb flavors better, hence making your tofu more springy and overall making it firmer. However, since I'm using a firm tofu anyways, I didn't need to. And since we're making a salt and pepper dish, it's going to be quite well seasoned anyways. It is important to choose the correct tofu, as the softer ones can break and become soggy when it comes to blanching it, as you can see here in the video. So overall, you don't need to. Bye!